Have you ever felt invisible, even to the one you love the most? What if someone stepped into your life and forced him to regret every mistake? This is my story. My name is Aisha. I thought my marriage would be love, trust, and comfort. But over time, I felt smaller, weaker, unseen. At first, it was subtle, small, dismissive gestures, words that cut deep. "You're too sensitive," he would say. "Why can't you just relax?" I tried to ignore it. I tried to be strong, but inside I was breaking. I started questioning everything, myself, my worth, even my place in my own home. Pause for emotional beat. Every day felt like walking on thin ice, never knowing when he would strike, verbally, emotionally, silently. One evening, my twin sister Zara came to visit. She saw me sitting quietly, hiding bruises, both visible and invisible. "Aisha," she said softly, "I can't stand seeing you like this. You don't deserve it. Let me help you." I laughed nervously. "Help me? How? It's my life. My marriage." "Sometimes," she said, "you don't fight alone. You need someone who can step in and make him see the truth." I didn't understand at first. Then she explained her plan, bold, risky, daring. She would step into my life, my place, to expose the truth. I was terrified, but part of me felt hope for the first time in years. Over the next few days, Zara studied my every move, my voice, gestures, even the way I laughed. She practiced wearing my clothes, mimicking my expressions, my reactions. Everything had to be perfect. I watched her, feeling a mix of fear and anticipation. Could this actually work? Could she really make him regret what he had done? Internal thought pause. And more importantly, would it finally make me feel seen again? The next morning, Zara walked into my house as me. I stayed hidden, peeking from the shadows, my heart racing. He looked up from breakfast and froze. You look different today," he said. The hesitation, the confusion, it was there, raw. Zara kept her calm, smiling softly. "Morning," she said, her tone exactly like mine, but stronger. Every word she spoke, every look she gave seemed to pierce through him. I could see it, the guilt, the shock, the fear. Finally, he was realizing his actions, his neglect, his cruelty, they all mattered. As I watched him crumble, memories flooded back. The times he ignored me at family events. The nights he shouted at me over nothing. The small betrayals that added up, crushing me slowly. Each memory stung, but seeing him finally face them, it felt like justice. I realized then it wasn't about revenge, it was about truth. And for the first time, I felt power in my vulnerability. He finally spoke, voice trembling. "Aisha, I didn't realize, But he wasn't talking to me. He was talking to Zara. And yet, I felt every word, every regret. Every apology he had failed to say in the past years was finally spilling out. I saw him break, and in that moment I understood something. You can't make someone see their mistakes by pleading or explaining. Sometimes they have to see the consequences themselves. I felt tears streaming down my face, relief, sadness, and yes, a little satisfaction. I had suffered silently for too long, and now he finally understood. It wasn't about hurting him. It was about reclaiming my dignity, my voice, my worth. Zara had given me the courage I didn't know I had. After the swap, Zara stepped back, and I returned to my life. But I was different now. Stronger, seen, empowered. I forgave him, not for him, but for myself. And I learned something important. Sometimes letting someone else step in shows us the strength we never knew we had. Even if we are hurt, even if we are invisible, our worth is never lost.